Welcome to Math with Market. Today I'm gonna solve a really nice and important integral, so let's talk about this. If we have integral dx divided by x times the square root of x squared minus a squared, we want to find the answer. So if you see x squared minus a squared in integrals, it's better to use a substitution. But what substitution? You can write x equals a times secant theta. Okay, so it means you can write x divided by a equals secant theta. Okay, so it means I can graph triangle and I called it theta, and this is 90 degrees. So secant theta equal x divided by a. So it means I can for this side I can write x, and for this side I can write a, and I called it the orange side. So we want to find this. According to Pythagoras rule, you can use this. So orange squared plus a squared equals x squared. So the orange will be equal x squared minus a squared. Why? Because why we use positive? Because the side is positive, we can call it negative. So, and let me graph it again for you. The triangle will be like this. This is 90 degrees. This side will be equal x squared minus a squared. This is x and this is a. So let's continue. If I differentiate from both sides, so I can write, let me write it again for you here. X equal a times secant theta. So on the left side you can write dx. On the right side you have a times secant theta times tangent theta d theta. Why? Because the derivative of secant theta will be equal to secant theta times tangent theta. So let me put this in the main question. This one I mean. I'll write the question again for you. That was dx divided by x times x squared minus a squared. So instead of dx I can write a times secant theta times tangent theta d theta. For the denominator, x was equal secant theta. Sorry, x was equal here a times secant theta, and I write it a times secant theta. But for square root of x squared minus a squared, let me show you the triangle. I scroll up. Yes, this one. I can write tangent theta equals the square root of x squared minus a squared divided by a. So it means the square root of x squared minus a squared will be equal a times tangent theta. So I can write a, sorry, that was bad, a times tangent theta. So the answer will be equal integral d theta divided by a, and because we have theta here, the final answer will be equal theta divided by a plus c. But we have to change it to x because the question was in x. So theta was equal x divided by a was equal secant theta. So it means secant inverse divided by x divided by a is equal theta. So it means the final answer will be equal 1 divided by a times secant inverse x divided by a plus c, and this is the final answer. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, don't forget to like the video, and thanks for watching.